Okay, so a little update on the 1100 STX that I picked up. So I replaced the fuse. Wasn't sure if I was going to get lucky, if it was going to be just a fuse. That didn't do it. So I was looking at the wires and took apart this connection, and it was all corroded, crusty down inside of there. One of the wires just fell off the connector. One of the wires pulled out of here. So I went ahead and replaced the wires. Just kind of a short term for right now. I wanted to test it. So I hooked up a battery, got all the wire connectors hooked back up. And so I checked it, and it has spark now. So let's see here. I just put a little, I like to put either premix, or if you do a shot of fogging oil, instead of doing starting fluid, just a little shot of fogging oil, it'll actually start off of that. I unhooked, I don't know if you can see it down there, it's kind of dark, but I unhooked the fuel line coming in for now, in case the carbs are still good and not all clogged up with this old gas. The ski has been sitting for 2 or 3 years, so unhook the fuel line. So now if I hit the start button, it turns over, and with a little bit of mixed gas down the carbs, seems to start up. So I need to button things up. I need to put the front of the stator cover back on, because this one has a water cooled stator. I'm probably going to go to premix. I'm probably just going to get rid of the oil pump. So now when I hit the start button, let's see. I don't have a fuel hose hooked up because I don't want all that junk in there, but for now, fires up. Got a little smoke coming out the tailpipe. So just a short little update video. So if you are having a problem and you're not getting any power, when you hit the start button, nothing is happening, I would suggest opening up the e-box. Make sure your fuse, you don't have to open up the e-box. There's a cap. See if your 10 amp, where it says main, there's a 10 amp blade fuse. See if that needs to be replaced. If that doesn't do it, then I would suggest checking out this red wire connector. There's 4 wires in there. So check that, see if you got corrosion there. I kind of cleaned up the solenoid a little bit, just the posts and everything. So I need to button this up, but I just wanted to test it. But if you're having a problem where it doesn't do anything at all, check out this little red connector. See if that gets you power, gets you started.